Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this shaving powder. I've been growing my hair out specifically so I can do this video for you guys. Just to give you guys an alternative of something else you can use. But just get some type of plastic container and make sure you wash your hands. The instructions say to use a cap size of the powder and a cap size of water, but that makes it too runny in my opinion. And since I am going to use it on different parts of the body, I don't want it to be running down. So I did it just to show you guys what it would look like, but I like to get it to like a thick paste-like consistency. And I have used this before and I've had absolutely no side effects no matter where I use it. It is made for beards, but I can say that it's safe to use no matter where you decide to use it at. And it doesn't have a very strong odor at all. But this is the consistency that I like to get it at, a very thick paste so it won't run down. But I'm going to start off on my eyebrows just so you guys can see it a lot better. I recommend using some type of flat brush if you're going to do it on your eyebrows. And I kept moving in and out of the camera, so you couldn't really see me. So that's why I just did it off camera. But this is how it looks once you do your eyebrows. So now we're just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Not too long because you don't want to burn yourself. And I'm using a wet towel. That part of the towel I'm using is wet. You don't want to use anything dry. And honestly, it might not look like that much of a difference on my eyebrows because I don't have a lot of hair in my eyebrows anyway. But it does work. As you can see like the little black spots. That's all the hair that came off of my eyebrows. And honestly, in my opinion, because I know my eyebrows, they shaped up very well after using this. So this is like a good alternative if you just need something quick, fast, in a hurry. You don't have a razor, or you don't have wax, or you just don't have time. Either way it goes, this is like a really good alternative, and it lasts about 2 weeks, like the same amount of time as if you were to shave your eyebrows with a razor. And that is all the hair that came off my eyebrows. Like I said, it's not a lot, but this is where the hair is at, baby. My underarms, I literally grew them out for this video. So I'm just applying it with a plastic knife, and you do want to use plastic because if you use metal, they will affect the chemicals that's already being used and it might not work as good. Just give it about 5 to 7 minutes and it will be time to wipe off. Remember to use a wet towel. I believe the instructions say to use cool water, so make sure it's cool water. And as y'all see, all that hair just melted smooth off my underarms, y'all. Look at that. And my underarms are a little dark because I've been shaving, but that's why I switched and started doing this. It did leave a little bit of hair, but that's because it dried up on me. So if it does dry up on you, just put a little bit of water on it, keep it wet, keep it moisturized, and it will continue to work. So now I'm just doing the other side. It's literally the exact same steps. I'm just showing you guys the other side just so you guys can see. But I will say that this is a very good alternative to NAIR. I will choose this over NAIR any day. It doesn't leave a strong odor. It doesn't have me feeling funny after I use it. And it works like a charm. So now we're getting down to the nitty gritty. And I'm going to use this on my lady parts. I tried to do it standing up, but there was no way I was going to be able to successfully do that and get everything I needed. So now we wait again another 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 10. I don't know. I haven't tried to go that long, but if you feel like you need it, go for it. And this is all the hair that I got off in one swipe, y'all. And I made that look because baby is looking real good, okay? Do you hear me?
All right. Well, that is the end of this video. And this is what I used here again. I'm gonna show y'all again. I got it from HEB, which is a store in Texas. Hopefully they have it at Walmart. I don't know yet. I haven't been to a Walmart yet to find out. But yeah, I just used it on my eyebrows, my underarms, and my lady parts, and no problems whatsoever. It came off smooth, like, baby. It came off smooth on my vagina than like my underarms. But I think it wasn't wet enough on my underarms. So yeah, it does have to remain with some type of moisture on it. But that's why I make it as a paste first, because I don't want it to get everywhere and drip to places where I don't want to go. And then throughout the process, I just kind of wet it a little bit. But another thing I do want to say is if you do already have like existing ingrowns or anything like that, just go around them. Do not put it on your ingrowns. that's not going to help anything. But I can say that I have been using this product and I don't get ingrowns from using this product. It takes everything out smooth. It's like another Nair. It does have a slight, very slight smell, but after I shower, I don't smell it anymore. And it doesn't cause me to discharge or anything like that. I know when I use Nair, that used to be a problem. That's why I stopped using Nair, because it did cause me to discharge. And I wasn't getting it like all inside or nothing like that. It's just the chemicals are so strong. So be careful with stuff like that. Don't get it inside. Please do not get it inside, because that will definitely cause irritation and cause problems in the long run. Just put it on the outside and get you like one of those close shaving electric razors. If it just doesn't get it how you want to get it, get one of those electrical razors and razor the rest off that way. Don't be all up in there, okay? Please, I beg of you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come check out your girl, because why not? And I'll see you on another video. Bye.